The new Galaxy A53 or A33 phone doesn't have a port for headphones, so this adapter, the USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter, lets you connect 3.5mm audio accessories to your earbuds, headphones. I'm not sure about the sound quality just yet, but we're gonna try it out and you can see for yourself. When you get one of this, it should come as a pair. Each one could function for the headset and the microphone at the same time. So we're gonna try out both cables and connect each cable to both cell phones, see how good they work with a headset. We're using the Galaxy A53 and the Galaxy A33 in this case. I already labeled this S. Get our cell phone. This is the A53. Insert one of the adapter. I'm gonna use the Samsung earbuds in this case. So I'm gonna plug this in. Make sure it clicks. Come back here. Choose a song. Play with YouTube music. Turn on the volume. So audio is great with the earbuds and using the A53. Now we're gonna go to the A33 and do the same thing. This is the same adapter I've been using. Connect it, make sure it clicks. Connect it all the way through. I'm gonna use the Samsung earbuds also, and I'm gonna connect this and make sure it clicks. Let's play. So it seems to work great. Now I'm gonna try the other pair. This one here marked with an S to differentiate both of them. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna plug this one here and connect this to this. Seems to be working perfectly. So basically both of them work as a earbud connector. I'm gonna try the A33 right now. Connected. So here we go. So both works perfect when used as a USB-C earphone, earbud connector. In summary, this is a must-have accessory with this new age cell phones. I'm gonna leave some of the best USB-C headphones adapters out there to help you find some of them easily in the comment box below, in the description box below. Hope you found this video helpful and has given you enough information about the USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. Specifically, we're talking about the HOTEC USB-C to 3.5 headphone adapter. I appreciate your time watching this video. Please let me know what you guys think about the product in the comment below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.